Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. And now we are going to discuss about 2014 Set A IEO question paper for class 1 students. Word and structure knowledge. For questions 1 and 2, choose the correct word. Example, the answer is dance. 1. This is the given picture. The answer is B. Shirt. 2. This is the given picture. The answer is A. Camel. For questions 3 and 4, choose the odd one out. Example, happy, glad, travel. The answer is travel. 3. The options are easy, simple, slow. The answer is C. Slow. 4. The options are belt, flower, shoes. The answer is B. Flower. For questions 5 to 7, choose the correct option. Example, Mary does a new bag. Mary has a new bag. 5. The boys does sleeping inside the room. The options are is, or, was. Here the word boys is plural. In options, the only plural word is are. So the answer is B, are. The boys are sleeping inside the room. 6. The tigers dance in their cage. The options are had, was, were. And here the word tigers is plural. And in the given option, where is the only plural word. So the answer is C, were. The tigers were in their cage. 7. We dash try to return by noon. The options are was, can, have. The answer is B, can. We can try to return by noon. For questions 8 to 10, choose the correct answer. Example, dash train is late. The train is late. 8. There are dash monkeys in the garden. The options are a, some, any. The answer is B, some. 9. May I borrow dash books, please? The options are these, this, that. The answer is A, these. May I borrow these books, please? 10. There was dash rotten orange in the basket. The options are and, the, a. The answer is C, a. There was a rotten orange in the basket. Choose the action verb from the choices given. Example, please give her your kite. And here the action word is give. 11. Cobblers mend our shoes. The options are cobblers, shoes, mend. The answer is mend, C. For questions 12 to 14, identify the word from the given clue. Example, we keep our money here. The answer is bank. 12. This fruit is yellow. The options are kiwi, mango, cherry. The answer is B, mango. 13. There are many wild animals here. The options are zoo, farm, stable. The answer is A, zoo. 14. This animal helps to carry load. The options are lion, monkey, donkey. The answer is C, donkey. Reading. For questions 15 to 18, look at the picture and choose the correct answer. Example, the sun is dash the sky. The sun is in the sky. 15. Robert is sitting dash his parents. The options are between, behind, in front of. Look at the picture carefully. Robert is sitting in front of his parents. So the answer is C, in front of. 16. There are some bushes dash the family. The options are behind, in front of, above. Look at the given picture. The bushes are behind the family. So the answer is A, behind. 17. Father is wearing a dusk t-shirt. The options are pink, blue, green. Father is wearing blue t-shirt. So the answer is B, blue. 18. The basket is dash the mat. The options are inside, on, in. Look at the basket. The answer is B, on the mat. For questions 19 to 21, read the story and answer the questions that follow. A wonderful dream. I had a dream last night. I dreamed that a glass lift had landed in our garden. The man inside was tall, fat, and dark and had a big mustache. He took me to another world. There were many waterfalls of milkshake. The food grew on trees. There were yellow cheese trees and green salad trees. I was tired, so I had a glass of hot chocolate milk. The best thing that happened was it started to rain toffees and sweets. I jumped around collecting as many sweets as I could. I did not see where I was going. I fell into an ice cream lake. It was freezing. I woke up. I was on the cold floor next to my bed. Example, the boy dash. The boy had a dream. 19. The man in the lift was dash. Angry, sorry, friendly. The answer is C, friendly. 20. When thirsty, the little child could have dash. Water, milkshake, orange juice. The answer is B, milkshake. 21. When he woke up, he realized he was dash. In bed, at school, on the floor. The answer is C, on the floor. Spoken and written expression. For questions 22 to 25, choose the best response to complete each conversation. Example, Helen, hello, how are you? I'm not very well. 22. Alice, oh, what's the matter? Why are you sad? The options are, I watched a movie, my brother is playing, I have hurt my toe. The answer is C, I have hurt my toe. 23. Let's go and see what mother is doing. The options are, that is a great idea. My friends are going to the cinema. No, she has written a story. The answer is A. That is a great idea. 24. When is the party? The options are, it's at the weekend, it's at my place, yes, I like parties. The answer is A. It's at the weekend. 25. How will you go home? The options are, I shall take the bus, walking down takes a long time, we must be there by 5. The answer is A. I shall take the bus. For questions 26 to 30, choose the right option. Example, I'm feeling hot. Please switch on the fan. 26. The baby is crying. The options are, did you call the police? When did they come? Where is her mother? The answer is C. Where is her mother? 27. There are 7 days in a week. The options are, Sunday is my favorite. We want to go for a holiday. This is the best time. The answer is A. Sunday is my favorite. 28. She opened the window because dash. The options are, it was dark inside. She wanted to do her homework. It was quite late. The answer is A. It was dark inside. 29. Don't eat your food too quickly. The options are, your hands will get dirty, you may choke, the maid will be angry. The answer is B. You may choke. 30. Please put the toys in the cupboard. The options are, there are 3 books on the shelf. The children are studying. The room should be clean. The answer is C. The room should be clean. Achiever section. For questions 31 and 32, choose the right answer. 31. Sheba does buying some fruits. The options are has, have, is. The answer is C. Is. Sheba is buying some fruits. 32. I'm full. I can't eat dash more. The options are any, some, few. The answer is A. Any. I'm full. I can't eat any more. 33. Identify the word from the given clue. We get this fruit in bunches. The options are apples, grapes, watermelons. The answer is B. Grapes. For questions 34 and 35, choose the best response to complete each conversation. 34. Do you live near here? The options are yes, at the other end of the town. No, I go there for work. Yes, right across the street. The answer is C. Yes, right across the street. 35. Shall we have our dinner now? The options are, I will think of it tomorrow. We will try in the evening. Well, I'm not too hungry. The answer is C. Well, I'm not too hungry. So my dear students, today we have discussed 2014 IEO question paper for class 1 students. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.